By the end of the video, we'll know about protein powder for weight loss. Achieve your dream figure now. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of protein powder and weight loss. Let's explore how this amazing supplement can help you achieve your dream figure. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with dimetized ESO 100 and Optimum Pushing Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic. Protein powder isn't just for bodybuilders. It's for everyone who wants to lose weight and transform their body. This fantastic supplement can actually reduce your appetite while providing essential nutrients to your muscles, making you feel fuller and more satisfied throughout the day. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. So, if you want to speed up your metabolism and reach your dream figure, don't hesitate. Try protein powder today. With its numerous benefits, it's a must-have in your fitness journey. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, you can achieve your fitness goals with the right tools and mindset. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more fitness tips and inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.